for today, we will be dealing grammar. So now I will flash a picture, okay? You will tell me what can you see in the illustration, okay? So first one, what is this class? It is a policeman. Very good. What about this one? It is a police woman. So next, what is this? Grandmother. What about this one? We have grandfather. Next one, we have baby boy. What about this one? We have baby girl. Last one. What can you see in the illustration or in the picture? What is this? It is a lion. Very good. What about this one? It is a, what about this one? It is a female version of lion. What is this? It is a lioness. So as you can see on the following illustration class, there we are talking or we are referring to their gender, right? So those examples will lead us for our lesson for today. So our lesson for today is about gender of nouns. Again, gender of nouns. Under gender of nouns, we have 4 classification. We have the masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. Again, under gender of nouns, we have masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. So are you excited to learn more about those one? You are? Let's get started. First one, we have the masculine. From the word itself or from the word or the term masculine, it refers to males. Again, masculine males. Again, masculine males. So example, boy, father, uncle, king, brother, son, and godfather. So it is the masculine noun. So let's move to feminine nouns. So from the word itself again, feminine we have, it refers to females. So a while back we talked about masculine. It refers to males. So now let's discuss about the feminine that refers to females. For example, girl, mother, aunt or auntie, queen, sister, daughter, and godmother. So let's check about this one, the masculine and feminine nouns. So we have the duke, emperor, wizard, and Mr. Those will fall under the masculine noun. This one, duke, duchess is the feminine form of duke. Emperor, we have the empress. Wizard, witch. Mr. and mistress. Duchess, empress, witch, and mistress will fall under the feminine nouns. Okay? Duke and duchess. Emperor and empress. Wizard and witch. Mr. and mistress. So another example. We have the murderer for the masculine or for male. What about in the female version? It is the murderess. Hero, heroine. So conductor, conductress. Count, and then countess. Those are masculine and feminine nouns. So we have buck and doe. These examples are animals. Stallion and mare. Ram and then ewe. Boar and then sow. pack, doe, stallion, mare, ram, ewe, boar, and sow. So as you can see, beside the ram, we have the EWE. So you know the word class, but you do not know how to pronounce it. So you will pronounce it as you. Again, you. Next one, we have the rooster and then hen. Rooster, we have the feminine version of it. We have hen. So the drake and then duck. Bull and then cow. Gander or gander, we have goose. So we are done with the masculine and feminine now. Let's move to common. What are they? Common noun refers to rather male or female. It refers to either male or female. So doctor. So when we encounter doctor, there are two, right? We have the female version and the male version of doctor. So it falls under the common noun. So next we have the neighbor. Guard. Guard can be a female version or the male version. It can be masculine or feminine, right? Teacher also. Cousin, principal, lawyer, and students. So next one, we have the neuter. What about the neuter? The word or term itself, it refers to non-living things. Again, neuter refers to non-living things. For example, pillow, lake, school, factory, fruit, bag, cell phone, and then mountain. Those are examples of neuter. Okay, let's play. Male or female infant, we have the jumble words. Mother or father. Husband or wife. Man or woman. Boy or girl. The female or female infant can be called, or these are the jumbled words. So if your answer for one, the male or female infant, your answer is baby, you got it right. Next one, mother or father, it will fall under the parent. It is classified as our parent. So husband or wife, what is this? Is this your answer? Spouse? You got it right. So next one, we have man or woman. It is person, right? Boy or girl? We have child. Very good, class. So now, remember this one, class. It is easy to remember. Our lesson for today is easy to remember. So we have the masculine. It refers to males. What about the feminine? It refers to females. What about the common? It refers to either male or female. What about the neuter, the last one? It refers to non-living things. Okay? Are we good? So now, class, for your activity, kindly answer pages 22, 23, and 26. And for your assignment, kindly answer pages 24 and 25. So, did you learn something from today? If that's so, thank you for listening. Goodbye!